Every single day, people are quietly using AI to earn money. Imagine making $100 to over $1,000 daily. No employees, no offices, and often without showing your face. Today, you'll discover the 10 highest earning online AI side hustles. These are proven methods people are using right now to create digital income. Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept. It's our current reality. AI is driving one of the largest wealth shifts we've witnessed. If you've ever dreamt of an online business that runs itself, this video could change everything. Welcome to Digital Cash Empire. Start with AI YouTube automation channels. Creators build full channels without filming, editing, or speaking. AI takes care of script writing, voiceover, editing, and thumbnail design. These channels focus on topics like documentaries or tech explainers. Just a few uploads weekly can generate ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships running 24/7. It's a great entry point for passive income. Next, explore AI digital product stores. AI helps create digital products quickly. Think eBooks, templates, guides, prompts, and planners. You create once, and sell forever. With no inventory and minimal overhead, many earn hundreds daily from multiple AI-generated products. Then, consider AI affiliate marketing systems. Affiliate marketing has become simpler thanks to AI. It writes blogs, video scripts, and even builds landing pages. You can promote high-paying tools and earn commissions. Some creators pull in up to $30,000 monthly promoting AI tools alone. Don't overlook AI niche blog networks. AI generates high-quality articles at scale. Target specific niches like finance or software. Blogs filled with SEO-optimized content earn through ads, affiliate links, and lead generation. Once you drive traffic, income becomes largely passive. Moving on, there's AI short-form content automation. Businesses constantly need fresh content. AI converts long videos into numerous short clips. It handles editing, captions, and music. Creators sell this as a monthly service, often charging hundreds or even thousands per client. AI e-commerce stores present another option. AI builds entire online stores, generating product descriptions and images. It optimizes ads and email sequences. This levels the playing field for small creators against big brands without needing large teams. Next is AI chatbot automation businesses. Many businesses lose money answering repetitive questions. AI chatbots efficiently manage customer inquiries, book appointments, and respond instantly. Companies pay fees and monthly retainers, generating predictable income. A handful of clients can lead to 5-figure earnings. AI automation agencies help businesses reduce manual work. AI handles scheduling, emails, and invoicing. Instead of hiring full-time staff, they hire automation services. This rapidly growing model is high in demand. Another growing area is AI course creation services. Many want to sell courses, but creating them is daunting. AI generates outlines, lessons, and promotional content. Creators offer this as a done-for-you service at premium prices. Some projects can even pay thousands for a single course build. Finally, we have AI YouTube management agencies. This is the top-earning AI side hustle today. Manage YouTube channels for clients, while AI takes care of everything. From scripting to SEO, AI does it all. Clients pay monthly retainers ranging from hundreds to thousands. With efficient systems, one person can manage multiple channels simultaneously, maximizing scale. AI isn't destroying opportunities. It's opening doors for those who act early. Every side hustle today is scalable and thriving for thousands. The real question now is whether you'll harness AI for your financial future. Welcome to Digital Cash Empire. Make sure to like and subscribe to get the best ideas and tips to making money online with AI.